God, will you just man and know the King? And when you justice, the King's Son, He shall govern your people with justice, and your afflicted ones with judgment. Lord, every nation on earth will adore you. Justice shall flower in His days, and profound peace till the moon be no more. May He roll from sea to sea, and from the river to the ends of the earth. Lord, every nation on earth will adore you. The kings of Tarshish and the isles shall offer gifts. The kings of Arabia and Sheba shall bring tribute. All kings shall pay Him homage. All nations shall serve Him. Lord, every nation on earth will adore you. For He shall rescue the poor when He cries out, and the afflicted when He has no one to help him. He shall have pity for the lowly and the poor. The lives of the poor He shall save.